time there are three bears.
Three what?
Three bears. Once upon a time there are three bears.
How many bears?
Three bears. 1, 2, 3 bears. 1, 2, 3 bears. First was the mama bear.
M-A-M-A, Mama Bear.
Then there was the papa bear.
P-A-P-A, Papa Bear. Here comes Papa, here comes Mama, here they come, Mama and Papa.
Who loves mama?
Papa loves Mama,
Who loves papa?
Mama loves Papa.
Where's baby bear? Where's baby bear?
Baby bear, where's baby bear? Baby bear, where's baby bear?
Look over there. Look over there. It's baby bear. B for baby, B for baby bear. B for baby, B for baby bear. Once upon a time there were three bears.
1, 2, 3 bears.
One morning it was breakfast time.
I'll make the porridge.
I make the porridge. I put the milk. It's in the table. It's in the table.
And they eat, and they eat. Baby set the table, Mama poured the milk, and Papa made the porridge.
Who set the table?
Baby set the table,
Who put the milk?
Mama poured the milk.
Who made the porridge?
Papa made the porridge, Papa made the porridge, and they all sat down. They all sat down, they all sat down and started to eat.
Oh wow! Hot, hot, hot. Oh wow! Hot, hot, hot. Oh wow! Hot, hot, hot.
Hot, hot, much too hot. Hot, hot, much too hot. Much too hot. Much too hot.
And the three bears left. Let's go for a walk. Good idea, and let's go. And the three bears left one by one.